NEPA of Nigeria, they took the lights. EEDC, they took the lights. Okay, so let me start this video. I'm going to start this video by bringing a song to you. Nwanne m si m gbata ọsọ na ya gbagbuo mmadụ ebe ya na-achụ nta n'ime ọhịa. Let's say it again. Nwanne m si m gbata ọsọ na ya gbagbuo mmadụ ebe ya na-achụ nta n'ime ọhịa. You see, this song is by our popular legend, Mike Ejeagha. He's the one that also sang this song. And in this song, the story goes that a brother had money. He was, in fact, so wealthy, but he could not share his wealth with his brother. Okay, so he had to go and be spending with his friend, enjoying with his friends. But at a certain time, one day, he now decided to ask himself, all these people I'm eating this money with, I'm spending with, and I left my own family one side. If anything happened, will they be able to acknowledge it? So one day he went to the bush or so, something like that. I'm not really, it's been long and I've not listened to this song for so long now, but he went to the bush and he went to the market and bought nchi. Nchi is it squirrel or something like that? It's bush meat, in fact. So he bought it and he kept it somewhere, and he ran to his friend and told him that, oh, see, oh, I have killed somebody in the bush. Look at. When he told the person that, look, oh, I've killed somebody in the bush, that his friend now asked him, have you told your brother? Welcome. Okay, I can see you. Welcome. So the friend now asked him, have you told your brother? Then he now told the friend that, I've not told my brother. Oh, then the friend now told him, you have to go and tell your brother. Oh, now the friend has been eating money with him, but he did not remember to tell him to go and tell his brother. Now it is time for trouble. He has remembered to tell him to go and tell his brother. So he now said, okay, since my friend of all people told me to go and tell my brother, let me now go to my brother and go and tell him. He now went to the brother and told him, look, oh, I have killed somebody mistakenly in the bush when I was trying to hunt. Then the brother now told him, no, that did anybody see you? If nobody saw you, please let us run to the bush and go and cover up that stuff. Oh, let us run to the bush. So when they ran to the bush with the brother, they were running. When they went there where he covered, according to him, that's where he covered the person that he has killed. Then they open it up. Hello, I can see you. Summit Roy, I can see you. When they open it up, it now became that it's not human being, it is squirrel that he actually shot. And that's where the music now said, Ifadika nwanne n'ụwa kende Ifadika nwanne, meaning there is nothing that is like family. That's where the music now ended. Okay, there is nothing that is like family. So lastly, when he was enjoying with his friends. When it's time for problem, he now remembered that he has a family to run to. That was when he now went to the family. Hi Elijah, hi Roy, I can see all of you. Okay, Roy, please open your own milk. Don't you have milk at home? Please look for your own milk and open. Okay, so that was when he now remembered that he now has a brother when it was time for problem. You can see the sad truth, sad reality of family. Most times when we have money or when we feel there is money, we don't remember our family. We run to friends, we run to other people, we go and enjoy this wealth with them. But when we have problem, we always come back to family. Now, let me get to the ongoing saga between Paul and his brother Psquare. It's not only between Paul and his brother Psquare. Right here where I reside, there is a lot of court cases among siblings, especially those ones that their parents were wealthy and they did not leave a will for them before they passed away, before their demise. Honestly, if you go to court, you see the kind of different family disputes they are trying to settle. You're going to feel for their parents that were so hardworking to be able to even work so hard and keep this particular property for them, because there is no will. You see children disputing, especially in this part of our culture where the first son inherits everything. You will see that the first son will sit on it. There are cases where the first son will carry, there is 5 estates. The first son will pack everything. He will not give even one person. Meanwhile, there are three. Oh, he can as well say, okay, let me give my brothers one, and take two. But no, you will see the first son will sit on all and say that it is right as the first son that he owns everything. That's because our customary courts here in Igbo land approves that the first son should inherit the property. But now Nigerian constitution, which is the higher one, has already said that every child of the family has rights to inherit the father's property, both male and female, thanks to the Nigerian law. So many people are now disputing all those things. You find out that some family have not even collected the money for rent, or even collected money from the property their father have left, or even used it for more than 10 years, 15 years, because the case is on court, because there is court issues pertaining that particular land or that particular property. This is becoming unbecoming. Now, it brings me to the question, what are we really not doing well as parents? What are we really not doing well as parents? Because if as parents, there was open communication before most of the parents left, if they had property, there should be open communication. You tell them, this one should own this one should own this. If possible, you make legal documents for your children. Honestly, everyone will die one day. There is no case of saying, hey, I'm not going to die, I'm going to live forever. Everybody will die one day. So if you have kids, start now and be preparing their documents, their tell them this one should take this one should take this. Be open about what you have. Share it amongst them. Get legal documents. If possible, get a mentor for them. Somebody that will be talking to them when you're no more. Somebody they can rely on, Do arrange yourself before your demise, because the rate at which siblings take themselves, they take blood to court, to police station these days because of property, because of money, is high. This Psquare, Peter and Paul's case, is even the money they work hard for that is causing them to have dispute. And this their dispute, I know that because they are siblings, because they are blood, one day they are going to settle, one day things will be okay for them. But what about the rift? Their children, they are watching. Their parents, their relations there, they are all watching. Their children are seeing what is happening, seeing how the uncle is dragging my father, how he's this, how he's this. We'll call the uncle wicked or not wicked or something like that. Going to EFCC is not something. We are not seeing you. You will not see me now. You will not see me. There is no light. There is no light here. We are in a country that, anything works. We are in band A, oh. We are paying for band A, oh, but there is no light here. So how will I do? Okay, even the generator now, me, I cannot afford it, oh, because the fuel is very, very what? Expensive. I cannot afford it. So make do with whatever you can see. That's why you are not seeing me. So this is what I'm talking about right now. There is a thin line between family and justice these days. You see that people are now open to take up cases, to take their siblings to court. They are now open to take their relations to court. Most first sons need to start doing it better. If you're a first son and you're watching me, or a first daughter and you're watching me, you are in the absence of your parents, you are the next parent that they can see. You need to start doing things better to be able to bring your family together. I know some of the smaller ones are very, very stubborn, but you need to do everything, not by cheating them, not by saying you're the first son. The camera stance is casting. It's a shadow. Okay, it's shadow on your face. how should I do it now that you'll be able to see my face? Okay, let me do it like this. Let me put it like this. Okay, so first sons need to do better, honestly. They need to start organizing their family, loving their siblings, trying to be the parents whenever their parents are not there. They should try and do better now. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, this is torchlight I'm using, actually, because there is no light here now. They've taken the light. Okay, this is a country that we are in, we are paying dearly for light. They put us in band A. We are paying dearly for it, but we can't even see the light. When you need light, you will not even see the light. Okay, so I'm here now. Let me continue my life. So parents need to do a lot of things for the children, need to prepare them before their demise, need to look out for a mentor that will mentor these children for them when they are not there, because death is inevitable. Somebody that is going to look out for their children, and even in the person's absence, the first son should be able to hold the family well. The first son should not just, because all these Igbo first son or first daughter you see them claiming properties. That's what they do. In fact, most of them, they are like that. But if, thank you, it's better now. Okay, thank you. But if the first son should do well, should try and put the family together, all these things will not be happening. Please, all other siblings, some of them might be very stubborn, they might be rude, they might be this, they might be that, but it's your duty to understand and look out for how you're going to manage them, how you're going to, those people that they listen to, get them to talk to them, get them to, I go claim which one is I go claim you go claim wetin you wan claim, wetin you wan claim. So it's their duty to get to talk to the other siblings, talk to those that they feel the siblings listen to. Property now, wetin you wan claim, no be when you get you go claim. No be when you get you go claim. Is the person that have property that we claim, right? So what we are talking about in this video is how blood fights themselves. How blood, what is it? How, in fact, what what do you think your blood will do to you that warrant you calling police for your blood, taking your blood to EFCC, taking your blood that far? Is it, what will that person do to you? You know, we have different temperaments, so you're not going to blame the person that has taken whoever. Abeg, no fall my hands for public. Property now, you know, serious. So what will that blood do to you that you're going to take him or her to EFCC? What will that blood do to you that you're going to take him or her to police? Drop it here at the comment section. Let us be reading. People will be learning, because in fact a lot of siblings, they are not doing well. Please, you guys need to do well. You need to come together as family. It's not easy. There are some, they are the ones bearing in the family. They are bearing, they are suffering, they are carrying too many loads. You will see in a family, they will leave the load for one person, just because to them they feel that one person, he is capable of doing it. Others will remove hand from that particular problem, as if it's not a problem that is supposed to be shared among everybody. You will see some. Psquare is a brand. He said the business is different from their family business. The business is different from their family business. Like from beginning, their brother, the brother Jude, was he not part of the business? He was part of the business from the onset. It's just that he wants let them change the manager to another person that is not their brother, and the other one doesn't want it. Maybe the other one is more brotherly than him. Different from Okoye's family. Okay, different from Okoye's family. Yes, they are different, but they've been there together, right? They've been working together from the beginning, right? Even before they became viral, he was their manager. Jude was their manager, right? And then later they had issues, separated, came back. If he doesn't want Jude to continue managing managing them. And then the brother now said him too, he's not interested in being managed without Jude. What are they now going to do? What are they now going to do? Helen, I am surprised to see you on a live chat. Good show. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Welcome. Waski. Welcome, welcome. I really appreciate your coming, okay? So, what are they now going to do? Let us discuss. Jude was part of the brand from beginning, even before they went viral. He said the brother Jude is siphoning their money and fund without his consent. What they need to do for me, if I'm in his shoe, I would just go and change signatory to the account. Maybe Jude has a signatory to this account. I'll go and change it. I will add myself, my brother. At least two people have to be signatory to accounts, right? They might just add him. Let it be him and Jude that can sign and collect money. I'll just go and change the signatory, or him and his twin, instead of taking them to EFCC. It's not money for food they are looking for, that they are fighting for like this. It's not money for food. These millions of dollars, something that is excess for them. That money is excess. I think it's only proper that they carry his along in all the dealings that concerns Psquare. Yes, they are supposed to carry all of them along. They are supposed to carry all of them along. It's not just Peter. Paul is supposed to be carried along, but he doesn't have clear facts, and he now accused his brother. You see, his brother is now angry that he accused him something that he doesn't have a hand in, that he doesn't know about. I'm not blaming him in any way, but what I'm saying is a lot of things is happening. Even in this Abakaliki, go to court here. You're going to see that a lot of brothers, a lot of court cases is in this high court here in Abakaliki. Siblings fighting themselves. Some of them have not shared their father's property for more than 10 years because they are fighting themselves because of one land that the father left, or one estate that the father left that is worth huge amounts of money. They can't even have off-court settlements. Nobody is enjoying it. The thing is there dilapidating because they don't know how to share it. This one will say, no, you're not going to take this, you're not going to take that. They just need, okay, there's a case of somebody that got a building of recent. It was this same court case. At last, they paid lawyers. They paid about, the other one paid lawyer, the other one paid lawyer. When they now sold the house, all of them had to settle lawyer independently. Is that one good? I'm not even talking about Peter and Paul now. They don't chop belle food. Too much money there. So much money that even their children may not even finish it. The one that is even bothering me is the ongoing court cases among four sons and their parents. Among four sons in Igbo, in this our side, they feel that by culture, they are supposed to inherit the whole property that their father has left them. They are supposed to inherit all the whole properties that their parents have left them, so that the other children are nothing. The other children came from behind. So because of that, you see a lot of court cases, because now the Nigerian law supersedes that other cultural or customary law. It supersedes it. And Nigerian law said that even the female child will share equal. Please like the stream for me. Like the stream for me. If you've not liked the stream, give the stream a like, okay? So that YouTube can keep recommending it. The Nigerian law now is supersedes the customary law. And it says that even a small child, even a woman, it's not peculiar to Igbos. It's the same in the US. Whoa! It's the same in the US. The first son inherits everything. Because like in Yoruba land, in Hausa land, it's as if everybody gets equal share. But here in the Igbo land, it's the first son that inherits everything. Waski, is it that the first son also inherits everything in the US? I disagree. What do you disagree, please? What do you disagree on? Drop it there. Let me know what you're disagreeing about. I disagree. The first son here in Igbo land inherits everything by tradition. So because of that, you find out that a lot of first son just sit on the property. Only them will be enjoying it. Even to pay school fees for their siblings, they will not. Even to help their siblings, they will not. So this has led to a lot of court cases here in Abakaliki, here in all this Igbo land. No, I mean the conflict in family is universal. Is universal. So now, the purpose that brings us to the purpose of my video. What I'm saying is that what are parents, we that we are alive now, we are parents, what are we supposed to do to prevent our own children from going into this conflict? I'm not talking about conflict of what I've worked for, my brother took it away, or what I've worked for, this their Psquare own is a senior conflict. I'm not talking about that one, because they are the ones that work for it. What we are talking about is what you're going to leave for your children. It is better now for me. I feel that there should be communication. Now that the parents are alive, they should be able to communicate to the children. Okay, you take this. We should be preparing that we are marching to our grave. Everybody will die one day. We should be preparing for it and be saying, okay, you're supposed to get this, you're supposed to get this, do this, do this. We should have open communication with our children instead of just covering it, feeling that, okay, anyhow it will be when I'm not around. That one is their business. Many children now are dragging the family name into mud, though. They are not sharing things like siblings. So some of them will cheat their siblings. The place that you see that there is peace, some people have been cheated. There's one case, the person said that he's the first son. He took first, he took second, and he shared the property into 5 places. He took the first share, he will take the biggest. He took the second share, he would also get the biggest. Then the second child and the third child now took, later he now still took the remaining one again. All these things is, for me, is selfishness. Our children shouldn't go through this. We should prepare. We should plan for it. Or what do you guys think? Please drop it in the comment section, okay? I thought I would just stay only 22 minutes on this live. In US, will is very advised. The parents should draft a will and stick to the details of the will. Yes. And not just draft the will, be communicating it with them. And in that will, treat them equally. Treat them equally, because some parents, it seems that they prefer some of their children and they practically show it to others. Others know that I don't like you. No, they should show them that they are equal. Always treat these children equally, so that there will be no cause for alarm or cause for them to fight when you are no longer there. This one is our light. My torchlight is our light, because immediately I just want to start this live. In fact, as the light just want to begin, ping, 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 bam, they just took the light. I say, waiting they happen. These people don't want me to come online this evening, though. Is well. So it's not easy, it's not easy, honestly. I feel that I have come to the end of this live. I didn't want to be taking much time on my live. I just want it to be like 23 minutes. I should be able to, every evening around 8, 9, come look for a very good topic and discuss with my audience. We should look out for interesting topic that is going to teach all of us one thing or the other, okay? So that's what I feel. So that is it for today. Treat the children equally, get legal documents, let there be open communication. Aside from the legal documents, let there be open communication. Be telling them this person should get this. In the US, you can leave your assets equally to sons and or daughters. It is not complicated at all, unless there is disparity in the family. Example, you can include in the will a no contest clause, okay? Meaning the will cannot be contested. Yes, now it should be there, please. It should be there, because the rates they are disgracing family in the courts here. It's not even disgracing family, They are sharing, last they will share all the family money among the lawyers. The lawyers are eating fat here because of a lot of family disputes. which is not supposed to be. If we parents should plan for our children, I pray that God keeps us alive, and also keep us alive, and also bless us, so that we'll be able to leave something for them, and we should also be able to share it for them even before we leave, so that tomorrow there will be no dispute, except a child is troublesome. Is well. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, rewatch it if you've not watched it from the beginning, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in another one. Bye bye. Okay, my former position was better. Okay, till next one now. Bye bye. Love you. Mwah. I should not go away. You want me to sleep on this life? I should not go away. Please don't go anywhere. See, I didn't want this life to be crossing 22 minutes. I've been talking for almost 30 minutes now. I didn't want it. Yes, stay. Oh, please leave me alone. Bye bye. Bye bye, please. Take care. Take care. Take care. This is an interesting topic. Ha. Interesting topic. Hey, they just brought the light, oh. Oh my goodness. They just brought the light. Oh my goodness. Okay, thank you once